Good morning, guys. Today we're going to go to the Canadian International Auto Show here in Toronto. I'm going to go get ready and I'll meet you there. Okay, guys, I'm ready. We're ready. We're gonna go get in the car. We're gonna go get our tickets, and we'll meet you there. We got our tickets. Now let's go to the show. I'll meet you there. Man, I love the color on this Golf R. This purple is so nice. What do you guys think? Yo, check out this Dodge Demon. I love this car. It's like the only muscle car I actually love. What do you guys think about the Demon? Would you prefer the Demon? Or would you guys prefer the Hellcat? The Hellcat's nice too. I think I'd personally take the Demon over the Hellcat. Both of them are nice. Dodge hit it out of the park with these cars. Damn! Check this out, guys. You can now vacuum your car with the vacuum that's inside your car. Stow and vac. Mom van. That's funny to me. What do you guys think about the forged carbon on the Huracan Performante? I personally don't like it. I think it makes the car look so dirty. I personally don't like forged carbon. Check out this wang, all that carbon.
For a chance, for adventure, what to poison, what's your pleasure? She never sleeps my city, she never weeps my city, she keeps me alive. Give it up for my city, oh, give it up for my city, oh, give it up for my city,
Hey guys, check out this 1969 Ford GT40. This car is worth $9 million. Shout out to Legendary Motor Car Company for bringing this through to the show. Check this out. It's one of 7 in the world. It's got to be one of the rarest cars here at the show. It was also raced in 2012 in the Le Mans Classic. This is nuts. This car is so sick. We're not even going to attempt walking through this, so we're just going to walk by and shoot some of the Tesla stuff for you guys. Sorry, there's just too big of a crowd. Like, look at all these people. Hands down, the Koenigsegg has the best doors in the industry. If you've never seen these in action, go check it out. Koenigsegg doors in action are beautiful. Best doors in the industry. This happens to be the fastest car, the actual one that broke the record. I think it was down in California, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think it was a couple months ago. But this is the actual car that broke the record. So this is the fastest car in the world. Check out that interior. Oh my god, this car is so beautiful. Check out this new Lamborghini Urus, the SUV for Lamborghini. What do you guys think of this car? It's very controversial right now. I'm iffy on it. It's a love-hate relationship. Some days I like it, some days I don't. Check out the Chiron. I am not a big fan of this car, but I know a lot of you are. Wow, this car is amazing. I hope someone in Toronto buys one of these Pagani Hyra Roadsters. This car is nuts. It's a masterpiece. That's literally all I can say of it. Like, check it out. The car speaks for itself. It's an absolute masterpiece. We got the 720S. I'm iffy on this car too. It's a love-hate relationship with this one too. Honestly, the only McLarens I like are the F1 P1 and the 675 LT. That's about it. Like, all of them, they're not my type. But McLaren's killing the game lately. I think McLaren is probably one of the most favored brands right now, out of like Lamborghini, Ferrari, McLaren, Porsche. I think McLaren's like taking it over, especially recently. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Cody, and today we're covering the International Auto Show here in Toronto, and we're at the Autostrada booth, and my friend Lucas is giving me behind the scene access. Hopefully you guys like it. Remember, give me a thumbs up. Check out this fine example of the Ferrari 599 GTO. This is a local car here in Toronto. This actual 599 GTO has less than 1,000 kilometers on the clock. It's sitting at roughly 900 kilometers. The owner actually owns quite a few Ferraris, so it's understandable. But this is a very fine example. Pristine. It's, oh, my favorite P1. It's got lots of carbon fiber. This car is amazing. It's a nice spec. What do you guys think of this spec on this GTO? I mean, the GTO is a really, really great car. It's a great looking Ferrari. And here we have the Golf spec McLaren P1. My hands down personal favorite McLaren P1. This spec is outstanding in person. I'm at a loss for words for this spec. This is absolutely my personal favorite P1. Like I said, like this thing in person is, I'm lost for words. It's outstanding. It's amazing. It's probably the perfect spec for the P1. Check it out. What do you guys think? This car is crazy. I don't even know what this car is, but it's insane. It looks so cool. And then we have the Dino here. Oh my god, like this is hands down the most wanted classic Ferraris probably ever. And look, here's Tony Betts, new Ford GT. This was the first Ford GT in Canada, I believe. It's sitting on Vossens. I believe they just came in just before the show. And the car is wrapped by second skin. This, look, warning, hot exhaust. Like, this, I don't know. The new Ford GT, it's iffy with me. I prefer the 2005-2006 Ford GT. But, I mean, this is crazy just to see one of these in person. I hope he brings it out some of the cruises in the summer. I really hope. But, I mean, second skin Tony Bett, hands down, like, you guys killed this Ford GT. Here's another Performante. I didn't mention this with the other one, but the one other thing I don't like about the Performante is the glass engine bonnet. On the regular Huracan, it's a lot better looking. There's more glass. No freaking way. CGT, the ultimate Porsche, manual V10, removable hardtop roof. This thing's insane. I can't say enough about this car. A beautiful, beautiful Porsche. And look at this. Just look at this. Another Golf spec. So now there's two here at the show. Two of the three hypercars, the LaFerrari, the Porsche 918 Spyder, and the McLaren P1, two of them in a Golf spec. Check this out. The Golf spec looks insane almost on any car. Who has a LaFerrari to do this to? Please, someone do it. Check out all the carbon fiber on this Audi R8 V10 Spyder. I personally don't like the new version of the R8. I think they should have stopped after technically the second gen, but I mean, it's here, people love it. I personally don't, but I love the color on it, so kudos to Audi for the color. Presenting the long awaited BMW i8 Roadster. This was just unrevealed, I believe, a couple nights ago. It's finally here. What do you guys think of it? I personally think they did pretty well with it. It looks very similar to the coupe. I don't know how I'd feel. No point in having the roof down when there's no sound, right? I believe this is a full electric. I could be wrong, but either way, it doesn't have the sound, even if it is a hybrid. But hey, it looks great. the Acura NSX. What do you guys think of this car? I mean, it looks okay, to me personally at least, but the sound is nowhere near what you would expect from a quote-unquote exotic car. I've seen them in person. They look nice. If you can get the right rims to go on this car, you can make it look a lot better. But the sound isn't there, and to be honest, the interior is meh. I just wouldn't pay 200,000 for this car. I'd rather get a used Lamborghini or something like that. I mean, I've heard it in person. Daily Driven Exotics, Damon uh, rented this car recently in Las Vegas. I mean, you can't hear it. Like, it's insane. It's dumb. What is it? A V6 twin turbo? Come on. You're talking like the 4GT now. That's another thing I don't like about the new 4GT is the engine, a V6 twin turbo. Why is everyone going into that? It's ridiculous. Stick to naturally aspirated. I mean, I love turbos in this fuel, but come on, you can't go down to a V6. That's insulting. Yo, guys, check out this insane Infinity build. I really hope they release this. This is like Project Black Ass. This is insane. The only thing I would change is probably the wing, maybe. But oh my god, Infinity, please release this. Just grabbing a bite to eat on the way home. A little food vlog for you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to crush that subscribe button. To watch more videos from Crushin Gears, click that video in your top right corner. Please share this video, give it a thumbs up. Free giveaway at every 1,000 subscribers. Guys, don't forget to check out the merch. 10% off in the link in the description below.